Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is going to be another unboxing of the Glamego box for the month of July, and also there is a giveaway going on my channel, so stay tuned till the end. I'm gonna share all the giveaway rules in the end of the video. So let's quickly get started. In this month's box, they have included the 5-step Korean style skincare routine along with some freebies. And as usual, here is the card which holds all the product details included in this month's box. So first, let's have a look at all the products included in this 5-step Korean skincare routine. Now the first step would obviously be removing your makeup, and this is the Pretty Woman Orange and Watermelon with Argan Oil and Vitamin E Makeup Remover Balm by the brand Alda Cosmetics. This is basically a balm which you are supposed to massage it into your skin for a while, and it is going to melt and remove all the makeup from your skin. And this is how it looks like. Second step would be cleansing, and this is the Vitamin C Glow Boosting and Anti-Aging Scrub Face Wash by the brand Herb Island. Now this is all free from harmful chemicals like parabens, sulfates, and is also cruelty free, which is amazing. We all know that vitamin C is a great ingredient that is going to help lighten your skin tone and also helps to repair damage from sun exposure, which is perfect for summers, and I'm expecting good results from this face wash. And this is how the texture looks like. As you guys can see, it has tiny granules all over, so it is going to help remove dead skin while cleansing it. Third step would be exfoliating, and this is the Water Microdermabrasion Spa Exfoliant. We have already received it earlier. This is a very good scrub. I have already tried it. It removes all the dead skin and instantly leaves your skin so smooth and supple. It's a great product for dry skin people. You should definitely give it a try. And the fourth step is going to be eye care. Now this one is the Iced Tea Under Eye Roll-On by TUSBA. This is again paraben free, handcrafted and not tested on animals. This one has a menthol cooling sensation to it, which is going to cool down the area around your eyes. And the last step would be sun protection. They have included this sunblock lotion by Aroma Magic, which has an SPF of 30 PA++. It blends within few seconds after application and is completely matte. And those were all the 5 steps from the Korean style skincare. Now let's have a look at the freebies. This is the sample size Radiance Day Cream by the brand Perenne. The texture of this cream is very thick, but it gives right amount of moisture without being greasy. And then we have this multigrain roasted super snack by the brand Kiros. It says that it is rich in protein, rich in iron, zero trans fat and zero cholesterol. The next product is this Hiphop Cleansing Charcoal Nose Strips. Now this one is a very easy go-to kind of a product. Also, if you're not into charcoal peel-off mask, then this is a perfect product for your nose. This is going to remove your blackheads and whiteheads. And the last product is this green coffee by Glamego. Now this one is decaffeinated, no preservatives, no additives and non-stimulative, and you're gonna get 10 sachets inside. It helps in burning fat and increase metabolic rate. And those were all the products, guys. Now moving on to the giveaway. You just have to follow Glamego on their social media pages, both on Instagram and Facebook. Write 3 facts about Glamego under the comment section down below this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be announcing the winner within 24 hours. So good luck, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.